Hey guys, welcome back to 9 to 5 Data Engineer. Let's get started with the next SQL question. So here we have two tables, signups and confirmations. Okay, in signups we have two columns, user ID and timestamp. And in confirmations table we have user ID, timestamp and action. In signups, user ID column is a unique values for this table. Each row contains information about sign up time for the user with ID, user ID. And in confirmation, user ID and timestamp is the primary key of this table. User ID is a foreign key to the sign up table. Action is a enumeration of type confirmed and timeout. Each row of this table indicates that the user with ID, user ID, requested a confirmation message at the timestamp, and that confirmation message was either confirmed or expired without confirming, which is timeout. So let's go through the question. Write a solution to find confirmation rate of each user. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in following example. Okay, we have this type of two tables and we have to return output as user ID and confirmation rate. Okay, so we will go through the confirmation rate definition. Okay, the confirmation rate of the user is number of confirmed message divided by the total number of requested confirmation message. So the confirmation rate of the user that did not request any confirmation message is 0. Any user is not getting any message, then their confirmation rate will be 0 by default, and round the confirmation rate to 2 decimal places. So for that we will use round. Okay, so let's get started with the query. Select, we have to return user ID. Okay, so we'll give sign up table as s alias, so s dot user ID, and we have to return a confirmation rate. Okay, so will be confirmation rate, will give alias as of now, will add definition later on. Okay, here we replace with definition, will replace it here later on. Okay, from signups s, and we have to do left join with we have to create another table with like confirmation count, and one more table with the total count here. So let's create a table with confirmation count. Select user ID comma okay, we have to sorry, we'll use count function to count action, which is confirmation. Okay, as confirmation count from table confirmations, where action for if we are taking if we want a confirmation count, then we can only take rows which have actions as confirmed. So we'll add that condition, confirmed. Okay, and we'll group it by user ID. Okay, and we'll give it as alias c probably, and we'll add condition for join. So on s dot user ID should be equal to c dot user ID. Okay, and now we have to do a left join for total count. So for that also we have to do the same thing. We have to create a table, then do a left join with our existing table. Okay, so you select user ID count of action. It will be pretty similar to our query, but just not condition. Total count from confirmations We don't have to add any condition. We'll just group it by user ID, and we'll give it as alias t and add condition for join. So as dot user id equals t dot user id. Okay, so here we have to add formula of confirmation rate. Okay, so that will be c dot confirmation count by total count, so it will be t dot total count. Okay, and we have to round it by 2 decimal points, so we'll add that. No message was sent, so for that we'll use callis function, and here we have to pass another argument as 0, and I think this query should run and return the desired result. So let's try running it. Okay, so it says there's no total count column. Okay, yeah, so here we have misspelled it, so it will be total count. Let's retry. Yeah, and we got our desired result. So yes, this is the way you can do it. So basically what we did, we try to find confirmation count and total count by creating to another table and doing a left join of them with our sign up table, and finding out confirmation rate based on given definition. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.